Rigged is the best zero DTE options trading system on the planet. Now, it might be the only one, but that doesn't mean it's not the best. You're looking at QQQ December 11th, 2024. Let's just go through the system. Okay, first, don't have to trade the open. Absolutely do not have to trade the first hour, but if you're awake early, what do you have right here? You have an 80% win rate bull bomb. And all that means is 80% of the time with edge, which means it has probability, it's likely to continue winning at 80%. Guess what? It goes for 208% max gain, 173.52%, buying and holding till the end of the session, never draws down. You get this at 945.18, you buy it anywhere 946, 947, right? It's never lower the entire session. That is amazing. We run right up to 3 strikes. We're telling you bull exit to runners. If you exited right here, it was temporarily the top. But the great thing is, using rigged, you don't need to trade the open because the system works by CTE, check, trade, exit, and that happens here at 10:30. We look at 10:30. Let's zoom out. What's it say? Check. Plus 2.46. You're $2.64 above the blue line. When that happens, volume's 117%. Typically, we go higher. So the trade that you see down here, trade bulls +1 to +2. You can trade, blue line as well, but +1 to +2 is better. And the reason is, if it's going to keep going, it is not going to come all the way back down to the blue line because you're already $2.46 higher. So what happens? This is 10:30. Check. We're going to trade bulls +2. And what do you get? You get a bull swing that has a 45.45% win rate. And then you get another KTR fill here. KTRs come out of target range. When this alert right here wins, it typically draws down to right here. And once again, this is a perfect trade. There's never a drawdown. By the time your brain sees this one, you trade it right here, and you never draw down. And you go either 278%, 210% buying and holding until the end. Check, trade, exit. I mean, even if you took a bull all the way up here, 0% win rate, it didn't win today, still ended positive. That's pretty good. But coming back to it and why this system is so killer is because we're matching Wall Street's option flow to price action. And we're telling you, trade bulls +1 to +2, trend is possible. And this thing just grinded higher. You would expect to go to 531, something like that, if you're getting a ton of bulls in here. But it was really one of those sessions where, hey, Wall Street made their money. You could have made crazy money copying them. And you just take it, and it's never lower. That's perfect. That's awesome. That's amazing. That's epic. That's the power of this system. Let's look at SPY. Same thing. Don't get the tags, okay? We don't get the tags. What you'll notice here, right? SPY does not get up to this yellow area. We do not hit 3 strikes. And the main reason why is because volume is lower. The outline of the chart is red. And it's tough to get up here unless volume is high. You go back to QQQ and you're at like 116% and you end up making it into the red. Tech was on fire today. Go back to SPY, CTE, check, trade, exit. You actually don't get any tags, okay? I mean, I guess it's right here. You get one KTR bull that comes 15 seconds after. Here's the thing. We're telling you, BL to +2, trend is possible. You could have taken any of the bulls here, or you could have waited, say, hey, we're going to try and take it below the strike, anywhere in here again. Even though you're not getting the tags, CTE still worked. There's nothing wrong with seeing this KTR filling here and saying to yourself, hey, it's a 32.08% win rate, almost 50% in the last 30 days. Boom, take it and it goes. Beautiful, but not as beautiful as QQQ. We go to IWM. IWM, the kingmaker. It is its own beast. Check -1.28. SPY QQQ above the blue. IWM was not. It's always going to do its own thing. So what are we telling you? Trade bears BL to -2. Trend possible. We move down to -2. And normally it's the 3-strike rule. IWM, it's 2 strikes. You get a bull swing and it just rips. Okay? Totally rips and comes up to the blue, comes back down, kind of ping pongs the rest of the session. That's to be expected when the outline is red. We don't expect really great price action. It's going to be difficult. That's nightmare mode. So if you followed trade bears BL to -2, let's say you take the KTR here, you lose, right? It never wins. Absolutely never wins. And that's okay, because what? You take out your -20%. That's fine. But look at what happens here at the end. Now, it's not likely you were here watching this at the end of the session, but we're going to show it to you anyway. Because look what happens. You're getting 2 alerts back to back. Here they are. 15.56.19 and 15.56.26. We're telling you, that is a 100% win rate. 100% of the time, it's returned 100% or more. And both of them do. Because look what happens. Okay, there's however many minutes left in the session. You're literally going, what was this at? Spot 238.12. So for the 238 put, look at this candle at the end. Like, that is ridiculous. You're closing 237.88. To get that kind of move lower in what? How many minutes? 4 minutes? 5 minutes? Ridiculous. But that's a perfect example of copy trading Wall Street. Wall Street knew, that's 215,000 in bearish flow for just that one alert. They know. And we're telling you they know because the win rate is 100%. It's not enough to be statistically relevant because it probably doesn't happen very often. But when it does, Lord, when you look at the entire session and we just sort this thing by win rate, okay, you lose 2. These are at 57%. But look, 62.50, boom. 80%, boom. 100, they crush it. That's the system. And if you follow CTE, anyone can do this. Back to the Q. It's dude, it says trade bulls +1 to +2, trend possible. Well, this is a trend day because it just goes up the entire time. Barely ever pulls back. You get the tags, and it wins. It never draws down. The only mistake you could make is selling it. Beautiful. Probably the best trading day in December. Let's keep finishing the year strong. Shout out to all the new members. Let's go.